Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Alternator Honda Pilot 2013, easy method. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and setting the key to off. Lay out tools in clear order so you can move efficiently. Remove any plastic covers and locate the alternator near the front passenger side. Take time to photograph belt routing before loosening the tensioner. Work calmly and label fasteners to simplify reassembly. Once belt tension is released, slide the belt off the alternator pulley and secure it out of the way. Unplug the electrical connectors and remove the small harness clip to clear the unit. Loosen the lower and upper mounting bolts while supporting the alternator with one hand. Gently pivot the alternator free from its bracket and lower it slowly to avoid scraping other components. Keep bolts together and note their positions for reinstallation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof meal prep containers to keep parts and small hardware sorted while I work, and they stop oil drips from spreading on the bench. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a set if you want cleaner cleanup, and now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement alternator into the bracket and start all mounting bolts by hand to ensure correct alignment. Tighten bolts to manufacturer torque specifications and reconnect the electrical harness securely. Reinstall the serpentine belt over the pulleys, using the tensioner to set proper tension and confirm belt tracking. Reconnect the battery negative terminal and start the engine to check charging voltage and listen for abnormal sounds. Verify warning lights are off and test drive briefly to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.